everybody, good morning. I start doing Bugforge.io. They have this daily challenge and they have weekly challenge. Today, daily challenge is Tanuki. If you go to the end, they tell you JWT. So you start your lab. That's the link. You open it. You find a form. Wherever you find the form, of course, we need to register. Just register with the default names. This one is supposed. I like the idea of daily challenge, like small dose of challenge that keep you busy every day, but not taking too much of your time. And then one weekly big challenge. So, for example, if you have this one, like for example, you start exploring. When you explore, always open your network to see what's going on. I think this is one Node.js or something. It's using. That's the login with CSS, so everything is that. It called the deck API, so that's the deck. So you start studying. It called deck number one. You can see API 1, so you can access the decks. You can see one. Reveal the answer, learn, hard, whatever. Progress is another API. But for us, the room hint is at storage, so we can go to the storage, these new cookies, but these local storage, and our famous JWT token, and we have the user. So the first thing you can argue said, I forgot what username password did I use. Because each token, so you can see either it used this one or it used this one. Let's usually not. You can experiment here. For example, if I want to say admin, for example, here, or admin, and if you refresh, I'm not admin, it's nothing new appeared. So clearly changing this one to I need to go back to user. So even if you change it here to admin, okay, you can argue here admin usually is the first one in the database. You can say about how about you put it one. You can even put username admin here. I don't think it cheers into fresh from there. It's still not, I'm still logging, but I don't see any admin things. So it seems this one it go back somewhere. So it means we're going back to the token part. Token is JWT. You go to this one, say JWT token. You can paste it there. It will decode it for you. I want to make, so do it. This is a weak HS256 is a weak token. And you can see here we have a type user and an ID, so it means it makes sense this one is not taking it really in consideration, so it count on this one. And if you look this website, you go scroll up, so we have a decoder and we have an encoder. You click an encoder, and then what's the tricks? The easy trick is always you try the non algorithm. If the application doesn't have a whitelist for an algorithm, you always test with a non. Now I can check, my example, an admin. I can check a type, for example, admin. Does this affect me? Uh, let's say if I go with this one only, keep my username and just change that one. Does this work? Let's see if this trick work. If it doesn't work, I'm not sure this one refresh will work. Nothing happened even if I refresh. There's no admin there, so if I go back to my local storage, um, did it? No, it didn't. It's 30 at the end, so it didn't work. So it means changing the type doesn't. So now we can say if I change the admin, for example, does that make sense to me? Or basically, sometimes just do all of them in one shot. Still not. So now we go to the full. Play with id equal 1, so we're going back to admin. We press algorithm is none, so that's the trick to see if that works. Now let's take this new one and say, how about removing that one and paste it the new one. The new one has full. We see this one, it's like it doesn't really control it. So, and now we have the admin side there, and suddenly we got um, our admin there. So we only did change and now it automatically changed you to admin. So this one, it's not the one that you say you changed in the beginning. And you can see we get in the email of the admin, we get in the full name, which is basically your flag. So the trick in this room is simply test none. And of course, when you do that, you avoid the signature because this one is a weak algorithm. Other option, you can crack it. The secret, I don't think is, if the secret is strong, is not possible. But because this one is very challenge easy, the first trick is none. So to avoid the signature and then just do that one. And we can get our flag and you submit it to tomorrow to next challenge. Thank you everybody and have a good day.